Today in this quick 2-minute video, I wanted to show you how to install a Vesa mount and free up some of that desk space. Chad Christian here from CWC Technologies, and I wanted to install this Vesa mount to help me with a couple of things. I wanted to be able to use it during my live streaming of Twitch, so when I'm playing games, I can just have over here on the monitor the chat sessions. Also, when I do my Google Hangouts with everybody on our live show Changing the Tech Scene every Tuesday at 8, I'm also able to do the same thing and have it over on the separate monitor. Now this is a full motion monitor mount with a gas spring arm, meaning that it takes some of the weight off of the monitor to make it really easy to swivel and pivot. Now the nice thing with this is it supports the clamp or the grommet hole installation if you wanted to make it more of a permanent installation on your desk. So on your specific monitor, make sure you find the screw holes here just to remove the stand. You can see mine just had a little plate cover, so once I removed one screw, I was able to take that off and then go ahead and put the plate back on. So this is going to be a clamp onto my desk instead of the grommet hole so that I can remove it, move it around anything I want. First thing you want to do is pull off all the little nubs that are hiding the Vesa mount screw holes on the back of your monitor. Then go ahead and screw 2 screws into the very top. This is going to set down into the mounting plate. You can see here that you just quickly mount this C-clamp on. Position the arm however you'd like. You can see it freely moves around. Now I'm just going to go ahead and grab my monitor here and slide it on top of the 2 brackets. Just go ahead and screw in the 4 screw holes that hold it, and it should hold the weight of your system. Now this one holds up to 14 pounds. You can see it's easily adjustable. And that's it. That's my 2-minute how to install a Vesa mount on your system. If you guys like that video, make sure to click that thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.